Hey everyone, welcome back to ZTech Tutorials. I'm Masharib Khan, and in this video, I'll guide you through how to submit a new iOS app update to the App Store using a test flight build directly from the Apple developer account. So first, go to your Apple developer account. Now before we jump in, a quick note. The test flight build that you will see in this dashboard was uploaded using Xcode, which is Apple's official tool for building and submitting iOS apps. In this video, I won't be telling you that how you can create the test flights using Xcode. If you want a video to see how you can create the test flights using Xcode, check out the I button. Now, let's begin. From your App Store Connect dashboard, go to Apps, select your app, and click the test flight tab. Here, you will see the latest build that's been uploaded. But before we can submit to the App Store, we need to complete the compliance first. So click on Manage, and the system will ask a few compliance related questions, mainly about encryption, uh, export laws, and content. Answer these accurately. For example, if your app only uses standard networking like HTTPS, you can generally select No for custom encryption. Click Save. Once compliance is complete, go to App Store tab and click the plus button and enter the new version. Now scroll down and select a build. Click Add Build. Choose the one that just passed the compliance, that is here. Next, fill in the what's new in this version. Once everything is filled and reviewed, click Save and hit Add for Review. And click Submit for Review. And that's it. Your new version is now in Apple's hands for approval, right? So if this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more app management tips. I'm Masharib Khan, and this is ZTech Tutorials. Thank you.